Australia is perhaps the region with the highest number of dangerous animals in the world. There are no words to describe the beauty of Australia's nature, where there are many dangerous animals living both in the ocean and on land. However, there are such animals that many of the world's most poisonous creatures live here. You may be surprised to see in this video that the habitat of many dangerous animals you know is Australia. Enjoy watching. The tiger snake. The tiger snake is a nocturnal active snake with potentially lethal venom that can reach 1 meter to 1.5 meters in length. This snake, which is olive, yellow, orange-brown, or jet black in color, belongs to the cobra family and is found in rocky places in the humid regions of Australia, Tasmania, and neighboring islands. When the tiger snake is about to attack, it flattens its head and neck like a cobra and can hiss. The tiger snake has a venom that contains neurotoxins, hemolycins, coagulants, and myotoxins. As a result of the bite of this snake, localized pain, tingling, numbness, and sweating in the foot and neck area may occur, followed by very rapid onset of shortness of breath and paralysis. The box jellyfish. Box jellyfish, which live in the coastal waters of northern Australia and throughout the Indo-Pacific, are light blue and transparent in color. Its tentacles can grow up to 15 tentacles, and the length of its tentacles can reach 3 meters. Each tentacle has about 5,000 stinging cells. Their venom contains toxins that attack the heart, skin cells, and nervous system. The venom of the box jellyfish is among the deadliest in the world. There have been cases of people drowning in shock or dying of heart failure before reaching the shore. It is estimated that dozens of people die from box jellyfish every year. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is a crocodile that lives in saltwater habitats, brackish wetlands, and freshwater rivers in northern Australia and from the east coast of India to Southeast Asia. It is considered dangerous for humans. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile. Males can reach a weight of 1,000 to 2,500 kilograms and a length of 6 meters. Female saltwater crocodiles are smaller and rarely exceed 3 meters. This reptile is an opportunistic hypercarnivorous apex predator. It ambushes most of its prey and then strangles it or swallows it whole. They prey on freshwater and saltwater fish, invertebrates such as crustaceans, other reptiles, various amphibians, birds, and almost any animal that enters their territory. If humans enter their territory, they will hunt them too. The blue-ringed octopus. Blue-ringed octopuses are small creatures about the size of a golf ball with arms 3 to 4 centimeters long. These creatures live in tide pools and shallow reefs in tropical and temperate regions and prey on small crabs, hermit crabs, and shrimp. When the blue-ringed octopus is alarmed, small bright blue rings appear on its body. This species of octopus is extremely poisonous. They store the bacteria they find in the ocean in their salivary glands, and these bacteria secrete tetrodotoxin, even 1 milligram of which can kill a person. There is no antidote for blue-ringed octopus venom. 3 human deaths were reported in 2008, according to a study of blue-ringed octopus poisoning. Taipan snake. Native to the semi-arid regions of Central Eastern Australia, the inland taipan is the world's most powerfully venomous land snake, averaging 1.8 meters in length. The inland taipan has a skin color that ranges from a dark hue to a brownish light green. A fast and agile snake, the taipan can attack and bite repeatedly if cornered or provoked. It is said that a single bite can kill 250,000 mice. It is also estimated to be lethal enough to kill more than 100 adult humans. The taipan's venom is a potent mixture of enzymes and other agents that paralyze nerve endings, destroy muscle tissue, and cause severe bleeding. Although people do not encounter it often, it should not be forgotten that such a poisonous snake is dangerous. The shark. There are many shark species in Australia. Species that are dangerous to humans are great white, bull, and tiger sharks. Shark species colors range from gray, cream, brown, yellow, and blue, and often have striped and spotted patterns. The largest species is the great white shark, which can reach 6 meters in length and attacks large fish, dolphins, sea turtles, and sometimes humans. 237 fatal shark attacks were recorded in Australia between 1791 and April 2018. There were 11 fatal shark attacks between 2020 and 2021. That's why those who swim in Australia should be careful. Conus textile. Conus textile is a poisonous species of sea snail. Textile cone snails live mostly around Australia and in the Indian Ocean. Adults are approximately 9 centimeters to 10 centimeters in length. The maximum shell length of this species is 15 centimeters. The color of the shell is yellowish-brown, with wavy brown stripes, and interrupted by triangular white spaces. Like all species in the genus Conus, this species is predatory and poisonous. They can sting people, therefore live ones should be handled carefully or avoided. There was one report in 2004 linking approximately 30 human deaths to cone snails. Cassowary. Cassowary is a flightless bird, native to the tropical forests of northeastern Australia and New Guinea. There are 3 types of cassowary species, and typically all cassowaries are shy birds found deep in the forest. Females are larger and brighter colored. Adult southern cassowary birds are 1.5 to 1.8 meters tall and can weigh around 60 kilograms. However, extremely large females weighing over 70 kilograms are also encountered. Approximately 90% of its diet consists of fruit. However, they also eat mushrooms, eggs, fish, and small birds. Cassowary is the largest omnivorous bird. They have been seen running at speeds of up to 50 kilometers. Known as the most dangerous bird, cassowaries are curious and sometimes aggressive. Attacks on humans are rare. The most famous attack occurred in 1926. A boy from a young group hunting cassowary jumped on the cassowary while it was on the ground. The bird cut the child's jugular vein with its long toenail. Stonefish. Stonefish live mostly in coral reefs near the tropical Pacific and Indian Oceans. They camouflage their bodies by mimicking their muddy, coral-filled habitat. Thus, stonefish wait unnoticed at the bottom of the ocean and attack their prey. They use the 13 defensive spines on their back to release venom under pressure. This causes pain, swelling, or necrosis. Stonefish is the most poisonous fish known. Their stings can cause death if left untreated. Most stonefish stings occur as a result of stepping on the creature. This fish can survive out of water for up to 24 hours. That's why they can be dangerous not only in the water but also on the beach. Stonefish antidote is the second most commonly administered antidote in Australia. Although there have been a small number of human deaths due to stings from this fish, the sting requires immediate medical attention. The redback spider. The redback spider, also known as the Australian black widow, is a highly poisonous spider species found throughout Australia. The adult female has a distinctive red stripe on the upper part of her abdomen and a spherical black body with an hourglass-shaped red-orange stripe on the underside. That's why it's easy to recognize. The body length of females is usually about 10 millimeters. Males are smaller and 3 to 4 millimeters long. The female redback is active mostly at night. This spider lives in a disorganized web, usually near or inside human dwellings. It hunts insects, spiders, and lizards caught in its web. The redback is one of the few spider species that can seriously harm humans and is responsible for a number of serious spider bites in Australia. People bitten by female redbacks may experience local pain, swelling and sweating, nausea, vomiting, restlessness, and increased blood pressure. In many cases, serious reactions can be prevented by administering an antidote.